Next chapter, nutrients. First one, carbohydrates. What is carbohydrates? Also called hydrates of carbon. Hydrates means water. Compounds composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 1. The general formula is CH2O. Plants are able to make their own carbohydrates from carbon dioxide in the air and water taken from the soil in a process known as photosynthesis. This picture showing what is photosynthesis. The plant absorbing minerals, water from the soil, it take carbon dioxide from the air and by using the sunlight it will produce plant sugar and stored in fruits. Next one, classification of carbohydrates. There are two forms, simple and complex. Under simple, monosaccharides, disaccharides, oligosaccharides. Under monosaccharides, glucose, fructose, galactose. Under disaccharides, sucrose, maltose, lactose. Oligosaccharides, raffinose, and starchose. Next, complex, polysaccharides and fibers. Under polysaccharides, starch, glycogen. Under fiber, dietary fiber, dextrin. First one, monosaccharides. Single unit of carbohydrates. They are glucose, fructose, galactose. Glucose, commonly known as blood sugar or dextrose. Glucose serves as an essential energy source for all the body activities. Only source of energy for the brain and central nerve system. Most of the carbohydrates you eat are converted into glucose in the body. The concentration of glucose in the blood, referred to as the glucose level, is vital to the proper function of the human body. Prepared commonly as corn syrup. Next one, fructose, also called as fruit sugar, sweetest natural sugar found in honey and many fruits. Galactose does not occur alone in the nature, obtained from the breakdown of the disaccharide lactose, that is milk sugar. Next one, disaccharides. Those carbohydrates contain two or more monosaccharides units linked together. Examples, sucrose, lactose, maltose. Next one, sucrose. Sucrose converted into glucose and fructose, and the enzyme which convert sucrose is sucrase. Cane sugar, table sugar, granulated sugar, more than 99% pure sugar. Solid as white crystal sugar, powdered sugar or brown sugar, molasses. sugarcane and sugar beets. Next one, lactose. Lactase is the enzyme which convert lactose into glucose plus galactose. Lactose is commonly called milk sugar because it's occur in milk. Lactose is one of the lowest ranking sugar in terms of sweetness. Lactose or milk sugar is present in milk and product made from milk. Lactose is one of the few carbohydrates associated exclusively with animal product. Maltose. Maltase is the enzyme which convert maltose into glucose plus glucose. Malt sugar, commonly called the name. Intermediate product in the hydrolysis of starch produced in the fermentation of grain present in malt drink, powder and breakfast cereals. Oligosaccharides 3 to 10 monosaccharides units. Raffinose and starches are found in beans and pulses, made of monosaccharides but cannot be broken down